Ago, ago. Badafonini na kwaba. Welcome everybody. Good afternoon. Today I went to the market, so I'm having my eye on some nice fish, fresh fish. So I'm thinking, what can I do with fresh fish? Then I decided that, Charlie, this one day I need some live soup, fresh live soup, some okra and some fungus. So I decided to buy and cook live soup today. So very soon I'll show you all the product, and you are welcome to join me, everybody. Okay? Welcome back. That's my kitchen there. That's my fufu flour. Mama's Choice, one of the best that you can find. That's my asanka there. That's where I'll be making the fufu powder in the microwave. Will be like pounded fufu. That's my bowl, my milk, my salt. That's my pot of soup. So let's have a look at it. And as you can see, it's incredibly looking unbelievably delicious, and look at all the stuff inside. So you got some pomfret fish there. This is smoked fish. This one here is pomfret, some okra, some black fungus, and how nice is the soup. Look at how light it is. Unbelievable, brothers and sisters. So hopefully when I start eating, you all join me. Brothers and sisters, back again. So this is the finished product. That's the pounded fufu over there. That's plantain fufu. And this is my soup, light soup, fresh fish, smoked fish. I've got some pakboshito there. I've got some black fungus, very nice. So I hope everybody will enjoy watching me eat. Okay, brothers, thank you so much. Welcome back. You're all invited. This thing looks like an amazing, it's like magic. Even if you smell it, Charlie, you will drop down. You can't even stand. Unbelievable. Let me see. Bedunyaminu eye de papa. Rabedio pacho. Madam Fonini na Rabedi. Let's try the soup first. Look at the fish. Pomfret. Ajay! Oh my Lord! Light soup nu. Radinia coupon. Ha! And you're small crowd here. This one here, not a small thing. I think I'm dreaming. Let me check if I'm dreaming or not. Check if you are dreaming. Ajay, wake up. Fufu live soup. Yes, of course. Kill me. Radinia coupon. Fufu no. Yes, small cry. Bismillah. Radi. I'll put some salt. Need some salt. Look. Oh my Lord. Oh my, look at the shito, pabo shito. This one, I have to squeeze it. Yes, this will make it even spicier. Look. Delicious. Eye de papa. Madame Fo. Oh, I wish all my brothers, my sisters from Ghana, from everywhere around the world could join me today for this wonderful dish I'm eating. Oh my God. So healthy. This one, no fat at all. Vegetable. Simple. Oh my God. Actually. Oh my Lord. Let's check the fish. Oh my God. Pomfret fish. So juicy. So juicy. So juicy. You enjoy. This. Charlie. Let's try some okra. Oh Lord, help me please. Oh, I thank you God so much for Ghanaian food. I thank you. No be joke. Oh, Charlie. And you smoke right here. This is the first time I have tried this kind of fish. And I think, I swear to God, so much better than tilapia. It's very juicy, very tasty. And my fufu, I have pounded it too. Even if you go to chop bar, I think you probably not gonna get the same taste there because it's commercial. This is private from home. See you. Hey. The spicier the better, the nicer. Hey, Jay. Oh my Lord. Why? I tell you why. Because if you're born in Ghana, you live in Ghana, you eat Ghanaian food, you have Ghanaian friends, Ghana food will go into your bloodstream. So you can't even stop. It's an addiction. I'm telling you, well, I swear to God, it's an addiction. You know, there's not even one single week in Australia that comes by that I get body scratches. If I don't eat fufu or Ghanaian food, I start scratching my body. Because I crave it so much. But thank God for that. Anyway, I'd like to thank everybody for watching this short video clip. And I hope you will all subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share and like. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome on board. Thank you for joining my YouTube videos. I would really appreciate it if you actually subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and share the video, hopefully with all your friends and your families. let me introduce myself properly. Actually, a brief description or brief introduction. My name is Tarek Fatal, aka Jacob Delson. My Ghanaian name is Bra Kojo. I was born in Accra, Ghana, in Ridge Hospital in 1961. So I'm 60 years old now. I lived all my life in Ghana before I came to Australia. But I grew up with all my brothers and my sisters, Ghanaians culture. I was eating the Ghanaian food like a complete Ghanaian myself. I learned cooking Ghanaian from all my girlfriends and my friends and my family in Ghana. Ghanaian food, to be honest with you, there is nothing like it in the world. There is nothing, absolutely nothing. No steak, no fish, no nothing. No macaroni, no bullshit. Look, fufu, banku, akbele, omutu, palm nut soup, in katinkwine, upon chinam light soup, no, everything. Kenke, whatever, kukunte, everything I know how to cook. Thank you God for providing me with that knowledge. So, welcome on board. I hope everybody will join my channel and support me. By the grace of God, God bless you all. Okay? Thank you very much.